Want to get your kids to eat fish? I'll share easy recipes the whole family will love. Fried catfish, homemade coleslaw, and tartar sauce. Well, I'll tell you, dinner doesn't get any better than that. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch. The most important part of your shopping trip, sourcing sustainable catfish.
The catfish that we get as farm raised, the great thing about it is controlled environment. The catfish comes in, great flavor. Doesn't taste muddy like that old river catfish you pull out.
It's super clean. It's got great texture.
It comes from Delta Pride out of Mississippi. Again, with the Responsible Choice program, we source only the best seafood and the best purveyors of seafood, and it is extremely consistent.
And easy to cook.
That's one of the few fish that I'll say, yeah, go ahead and fry that fish.
That's right.
Because that's what we do with catfish in the Midwest. We fry catfish.
Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fry my catfish.
There you go.
You don't want to fry a giant piece of fish. You want to make sure to cut them into smaller pieces. I typically like to follow this center bone, come right down across, creating 2 strips of equal size, and then one at a time, cut them in half so that you essentially have fingers. The other reason that I like to do this is it means that all the catfish is going to cook in the same amount of time. I use my own shallot and tarragon blend that I created with the good folks at Badia, and I just give that a healthy sprinkle. And then all I do, take this fish, seasoned flour, egg, seasoned breadcrumb. And when you come into the breadcrumb, I don't like to flip it first. I get better adhesion and even coating of the breadcrumb, and then into oil that's 375 to 400 degrees. And I would encourage you to let your fish come to room temperature before you cook with it. The temperature of the oil is gonna drop, and it's gonna drop significantly, which is why you'll see in the recipe it says don't crowd the pan. I also have a thermometer there so I can monitor the heat. I'm frying here in vegetable oil. You can fry in peanut oil, corn oil. Just fill it about halfway up. That way I don't have lots of splatters. The catfish, as you can see, is about 1 inch thick, so you want that to cook for about 10 minutes. So I'm just taking out those 3 smaller pieces. These fatter pieces probably need another minute. We're looking for a nice dark brown. Remember, brown is the color of flavor. And you'll also notice that I set this on a grate over a tray to drip dry. If you put it on a towel, or worse, a kitchen towel, it's just gonna steam that breading off. One of my favorite things in the whole world is coleslaw. And this chopped version is one of my favorites. You can make it spicy with hot chili vinegar, with the homemade tartar sauce. That is a sure lunch or dinner that your family is absolutely gonna love. Catfish, white, flaky, crispy fillets of fish. Wow.